Hello friends, how are you? Today I've brought a nice tip for you guys. In this dry weather, our skin may also look dry and rough. The skin loses its liveliness. If you take proper care of your skin, it may turn out even worse. The skin becomes gloomy and the upper surface becomes black. In this case, you shouldn't have used alkaline products like face wash and soap. Alkaline is responsible for taking the moisture away from your skin and makes it dry. So to get rid of the dry skin, I have come up with an effective face mask with the eggs. To buy any skin or hair care products, visit our website beautynovel.com. Here you can get any product you desire. The link is down below. The first face mask with honey and eggs. To make this face mask, you need to separate the egg whites and then mix it with the tablespoon of honey. Make sure you wash your face nicely. Then apply the face mask on your skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This pack will not only prevent the dryness, it will also work as a moisturizer in your skin. Second pack, which is made up of olive oil and egg yolk. Olive oil and egg yolk contains a high amount of protein and vitamin E. To make the face pack, you need to mix the egg yolk and olive oil in a bowl and apply it in your skin. You can wait 15 minutes and then wash your skin. You can also use this pack on every dry part of your body. You will already know by the softness in your skin that the face mask is working or not. Third face pack with egg, milk and carrot. First you have to mix milk with egg whites properly, then add some carrot juice to it and mix it well. After that you have to apply it on your skin and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then you can wash your face. This face pack is effective for every kind of skin. Fourth face pack with egg, castor oil and orange juice. First you have to mix egg yolk and castor oil and add some orange juice, lemon juice, rose water and olive oil. After applying it on your skin, you'll get your skin moisturized just as you always wanted. Fifth face pack, yolk and yogurt. You can make this face pack by mixing egg yolk with yogurt. You can leave the face pack on your skin overnight. This pack really makes our skin glowing naturally and also prevents the dryness. These 5 face packs are known to be the most effective face packs for dry skin, but not everyone has the same type of skin, so you have to choose the best pack according to your skin type. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below. To get more of these videos, subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel and also let us know what kind of video you want next. See you guys again. Goodbye.